Let's Localise gave us a brilliant opportunity to bring the corporate world into education and actually bring STEM to life.
To see the children so engaged right from the off with the whole experience, it's been an absolute joy.
They can get involved in using the hands-on robotics. They're going to be doing some coding. It's going to be very interactive for them.
They learned technical skills. They were making circuits, they made some electronic cars.
They were so excited, so engaged. One of them was really keen to show me the celebration dance that he got his robot to do at the end of their route.
Anything that will help the teachers bring learning to life we always jump at it as a school.
They learned life skills. They were collaborating with each other. They had to communicate with the experts or the volunteers to find out what's going wrong. They had to offer their own ideas.
These skills are more relevant now because of the rapid development of technology.
It's really key that the girls actually experience everything, not only through textbooks or on computers, but actually get to really be part of a hands-on workshop. They learn much better that way.
Opportunities like this really bring the learning that takes place in the classroom, the theory, into the real world and allow students to see real-life applications for the things that they're learning about and practical ways in which they might use the knowledge and the skills that they've gained at school in training or employment.
They also learn why these challenges are really important to focus on in terms of sustainability.
They understand that what they produce in the world, they're going to be responsible for. It's their future they're building. It's not just another lesson in class.
We deal with pupil population that not necessarily come from the most privileged backgrounds. When we have initiatives like this coming to our school, what it allows us to do is actually engage the students.
It's an experience we as educators cannot provide for these children without the support of the corporate world. And I would urge other schools to do it because the impact it's had on these children has been amazing.
I think it's a fantastic organisation, and I would really encourage all school leaders to have a look at the platform to see what it can do for them.
Without Let's Localise, we wouldn't have been able to make the connections and the relationships directly with industry.
Every opportunity you can give them, give it to them, because you don't know what's going to be around the corner. And the more opportunities that you give these children, our girls, the better equipped we're giving them for the next stage of their learning and hopefully further learning into their futures.